Ay, ay!
Atras ka. Hoy, atras ka. Ano ka ba?
Ayok, pag may pumunta rin.
Narit.
Sige, sige.
Hey!
Ano ba yun?
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Pag mo inabot dito. Pwede
Ah, sige, sige, sige.
Oh, this one? Yeah, I can give you.
Hey! Go!
Atras.
Go! Hey! Go!
Atras.
Go!
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Quick! Quick! Quick!
Atras. Atras. Sige, atras. Atras.
Quick! Quick!
Atras. Atras.
Hey!
Atras. Atras.
Sige! Go! Go!
Atras, atras, atras.
Hey!
Hey! Go!
A good day, everyone. My name is Moses Ronald, a student of Animal Science Master's degree at Central Zone State University. I'm going to share with you in these videos that I recorded how to do pregnancy check and using ultrasonography and palpation per rectum. So some of the methods I was able to observe. I could not be able to do it myself, saying that because of animal welfare, I'm not a certified veterinarian and I was not allowed to perform the pregnancy check on the live animals. And I tried to contact the slaughterhouse. However, it was not possible to get any animal that can be checked. So I just observed how it's done by the certified people, veterinarians, and also by my professors who are already well certified. So also for pregnancy, for giving birth animal in patrition, I was able to observe two phases, the one of giving birth and also the preparation stage. So the phases, the animals go through its 3 phases: the preparation, the giving birth, and also the removal of the of the placenta. So it takes long time. Sometimes can go to 24 hours. So it goes to 24 hours. So I was able to observe the first 2 phases. Because of the limitation, the animal was very far and I had to return back. I was not able to observe the 3rd phase. But I saw the preparation phase, how the animal goes through, sleeping down, waking up, then and also the giving birth process. Those are the 2 I was able to observe. Let's now go into the videos. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's watch the videos and the documentaries I was able to record. So when he is pregnant, the cervix is closed.
Postlogium is symmetrical in size.
Symmetrical size.
Yeah. Malit lang dok yung kanyang cervix. Malit. Maganda.
Yeah, only the cervix.
Yeah.
Mas malaki yung kanina.
Opo.
So there is what can be the shape when he's pregnant.
So itong kanina dito ay
Tapos yung kanya, tigas.
Medyo kasi umiirit. Pero ano lang, ano naman sa plastic.
Parang
Hindi lang siya. Wala naman siyang tone. Pero maganito pa ako, +1 siguro. Ay, medyo ito yung sa left ovary. Siya muna ito. Ano meron siya? Meron siyang malaking follicle. May siya malaki. Tapos meron siyang follicle na yan. Dalawang medium para isang small.
sulat. Sa left ko na yan.
Sa left, tapos meron siyang meron siya. May siya. Mandali niya. Bukas na natin si Heritan. So for tomorrow's insertion of CIDR. tingnan mo nga kung tama yung record na. So, ano nalagay mo pa? Baka bukas siya, o si Angel bukas siya.
Opo.
Mas day tomorrow. Kaya, saan natin? So, 13 11. So, bibili natin ito kay Jam. Ano bukas mo? Kaya ito, Jam. Ito. Okay, pwesto mo na ito. Diretso. Sabi. Ito, first. Ito. Document. Pinatay niya yung kurete. Kaya ano na Dito, sabi lang ano ba, video? Video ka. Sinabi ka, pinatay ka. Yan, nakainom na ng ano. Lunod na. Lunod na yung dorete. Hindi naman ako nakaikot dito ko ulit. Wala na eh. Hihiwalay na yung kaluluwa ko sa katawan eh. Sa pagod. Kaya malakit pa man din ako.
Okay. Ay, sayang.
Ayan, babae.
Ang babae, oh.
Malaki pa man din. May pag-asa pa. Nakakapag lagi nang nainom na ano. Amniotic fluid eh. Hindi na nga